Hi there, this is my new Samsung 9kg bubble washing machine. It's quite handy and I like the look, black color. It's having too many functions. You can use with Wi-Fi in your phone as well to use some other functions. Here is the start button, and think about something stuck inside the washing machine and then you want to take it off, something that you can stop from here, and it's gonna be unlock the door. So in quick wash, mix load, too many programs. I like it. Such a beautiful machine. I bought it today. I just put the 15-minute cycle. Then I have a coffee. It's done. Oh, and the other thing is that I want to say about the noise is very low. I had my earlier washing machine, hot point, washer dry actually. That one was very loud, even at night time we couldn't sleep, and it takes a long period of time to wash. But this one is, when you close the kitchen door, you can't hear any noises. It's really good. Once you buy your washing machine, you need to register with the Samsung, then they will give you a 5 years warranty.